She will recite the periodic table of elements from 1 to 50, and then later on, you can ask her in random, anywhere from 1 to 118. Ayan. Total, naka-blindfold siya at hindi naman niya kita. So, pwede kayo magtanong. Let's start off with number 1 up to 50. Okay? Coach Irene.
Okay, 1 to 50. 1, hydrogen H. 2, helium He. 3, lithium Li. 4, beryllium Be. 5, boron B. 6, carbon C. 7, nitrogen N. 8, oxygen O. 9, fluorine F. And 10, neon Ne. 11, sodium Na comes from Latin word natrium. 12, magnesium Mg. 13, aluminum Al. 14, silicon Si. 15, phosphorus P. 16, sulfur S. 17, chlorine Cl. 18, argon Ar. 19, potassium K comes from Latin word kalium. 20, calcium Ca. 21, scandium Sc. 22, titanium Ti. 23, vanadium V. 24, chromium Cr. 25, manganese Mn. 26, iron Fe comes from Latin word ferrum. Okay. 27 is cobalt. 28 is nickel Ni. Cobalt is Co, nickel Ni. 29 is copper Cu. 30, zinc Zn. 31 is gallium Ga. 32 is germanium Ge. 33 33 is arsenic As. 34 is selenium Se. 35 is bromine Br. 36 is krypton Kr. 37, rubidium Rb. 38 is strontium Sr. 39 is yttrium Y. And 40, zirconium Zn. Okay.
Zirconium?
Zr. Zirconium okay. Zr. 41 is okay, naglabas ako. 41 is
wala magsasalita.
41
sige. Kaya mo yan.
Okay. 41 is niobium. Okay. Niobium Nb. 42 is molybdenum Mo. 43, technetium Tc. 44, rosenium.